Ready to transform your podcast from mad to magnetic with crystal clear audio, all thanks to Buzzsprout. First things first, let's dive directly into the Buzzsprout platform and locate that handy record button. Click it to start the process. Next, before hitting record, make sure you're in a quiet space, like a closet or a room with soft furnishings to minimize echoes. Check your mic levels by speaking into it. The target volume should be around the middle. Now, get ready to speak your truth. Press the big record button, take a deep breath, and let your thoughts flow freely. Once you finish speaking, or need a short break, click the pause button. When you're satisfied, press the stop button. You're now ready to listen to what you've recorded. Before putting it out there, listen back to your audio. You might want to make some edits. Use the easy tools to remove mistakes, add an intro and outro, and optimize your sound. Finally, save your masterpiece and upload it to your podcast. Buzzsprout will handle distribution to all the major podcast platforms. Following these steps will set you well on your way to producing stellar podcast episodes.